Okay, everyone, we're back again with a Barbie's Friendship. Don't know really anything about this, but it might bring back memories for some of you. Caught my eye just because I've never seen one really, but it is actually an airplane for your Barbies. I don't know how you would make it stay open the whole time, but there's a lot of bright colors in there. I think it's from the 70s or something like that. Well, pretty detailed. It says United on there, so that's pretty cool. United Airlines. Well, even got little scenes in there. Well, they definitely don't make toys like this anymore, really. If you know what year it is exactly, let me know. That would be kind of cool to know that. Yep. Pilot. Looks like it's missing a screw or something that holds this back on. Looks like a tack, which is back there. Other than that, it's in fairly good shape. Not really any rips or anything. Folds down nice. I'm not sure if there's any accessories or anything like that. Alright, well, that's it for the Barbie Friendship.